Howdy, Mike fans, and welcome to the inaugural edition of iPullRank Love Fest in the tradition of Whiteboard Friday. Mike, I'm thrilled that I get to make this video for you. So I want to share with you today the 5 things that I love about your friend and mine, Michael King, iPullRank. First off, Mike has got a huge heart. I don't know if you can see Mike. I drew you with a giant heart there. It basically takes up your whole chest. You are also quite tall and handsome, as the notes point out. But Mike, you've been so generous to me and to Geraldine over the years, to many, many people in your life, people in your family, your friends, people in the SEO community, and that is just awesome. That's obviously a value of mine. I love that it's a value of yours. Second, Mike is super transparent, and he's really passionate about sharing what he learns. One of my favorite things about Mike is that he'll learn something new, something technical, something creative, and he will bring that to the web. He'll bring that here on Whiteboard Friday at Moz. He'll bring that to his own blog. He'll bring that to a conference and share it with others. I think that's just an awesome trait. Number 3, Mike, you refuse to let obstacles stand in your way, and I love that, right? That basically I drew this Mike King trademarked truck, right? That everything else has got to get out of the way. And I think that's a quality that I wish I had more of myself, right? That you basically take this approach to both your personal and professional life that says, these are the things that I know I need to get to, and whatever stands in the way, I'm going to clear it out myself. That's an awesome thing. Number 4, Mike is self-aware, and he's unashamed to be who he is and express what he wants or needs. So, there's times when we're hanging out with Mike and he is in introvert mode, and he's comfortable with it, and we're comfortable with it because he is. And if he pipes up and gets into the conversation, or if he wants to relax, or if he needs time alone, he will let you know. I think that's a great thing. Being self-aware means that we can be empathetic to others because we're being empathetic to ourselves. Number 5, every year that I've known Mike King, he has grown, both as a person and as a professional, right? I mean, Mike's life is like the rest of ours. It doesn't look like a straight, up and to the right curve. It's got a bunch of peaks and valleys, and that's a good thing. I love that progress is something Mike strives for, that he makes transparent to others, and that you can see in his life. Mike, I am proud to call you my friend, and I'm proud that we get to have you in this field. Thanks for all that you've done. Take care.